Hello everyone, welcome back. How are you all? Hope everyone is fine. Let's thank God for keeping us safe and healthy. We'll start with our second lesson, Objects in Word 2013. Now, what is objects in Word? Objects in Word means you're going to insert word art, then text box, shapes, pictures, wrap text and positioning. Okay. For now, maybe when I explain like this, you won't follow, but don't worry. I'll explain it to you all once again when I see you all face to face. Now let's start with what is word art. Now word art is a text styling feature in Word 2013. You can style, you can have different type of text. When you click on the word art, a text box will come here asking you your text here. Means you have to type your text over here. Word formatting. Okay. Now, word formatting option is available under drawing tool. Okay. You can see that on your book, page 17. Now, when you click on word art and click on format tool, in that format tool, you will get this different type. You can change the lines. You can add different styles for your word art. Inserting text box. Now, inserting text box can be useful when you want to draw reader's attention to specific text. Means suppose I want your attention to have on a specific text, that means on a specific word or on a specific paragraph. At that time, inserting text box is very useful. Okay. You can even draw a text box. How can you draw? Go to insert and there you will get a text box picture, and then you draw a text box over here, text. Okay, so when you click on this text, you can draw your text. That means you can draw like this box and you can type inside this whatever you want. Inserting shapes. Now, if you want to make your your document more presentable, you can insert different shapes depending on your topic. Now, suppose if your topic is on Christmas, so you can draw a diya using these shapes. If your topic is regarding Diwali, then you can draw a diya using these shapes. If your topic is regarding Christmas, then you can draw a star using these shapes which are given over here. It depends on your topic, how you want. These are the arrows over here. Flow chart. Flow chart means box one below the other. You can draw it. Inserting pictures. You can even insert pictures to your Word document. Now, for that you have to go to insert and from here insert pictures over here. You can insert pictures from the file. From the file means for the documents which are already available. Okay, you can insert pictures from the file. You can also insert pictures from Google. Go to Google and search for whatever pictures you want and then you can insert from there also. Next one, formatting pictures. Now suppose if you have inserted a picture but you still want to make changes in that picture. So you can go to formatting. Go to format and here picture border, picture effect, picture layout. All these things you can do by using formatting picture option. Crop an image. Crop an image means suppose if you are on Google, you go and you have a bigger image but you don't want all that image. You want just this small image to appear in your Word document. So when you go to format, a crop option will come over here. This one is a crop option in format. When you click on this option, this type of box will appear. Okay. So you can drag that box and keep it to a suitable position to that picture which you want to appear in your Word document. Now, adjust group. Here, you can adjust the group, you can adjust the color. Over here they have given correction. Improve the brightness, You can change the color. You can give an artistic effect. Wrap text. Okay. Now, what is wrap text? Suppose if you want your letters to be very close by, so it can be tight. Okay, the letters will be very close by, in line with text. So it will appear like this. The text is, the photo is shown over here. In the same way it will appear. Now, the lesson is over for now. I will explain this lesson once again in the lab when we meet face to face. So don't worry even if you all not, and even if you all have not understood the lesson. Now you all know what is this drawing? What is this picture? This drawing is drawn by one of our friend Swara, and it appeared in Maharashtra Times Marathi paper Matta, which is called, on 3rd of July. So congratulations Swara. Keep it up. Others also, you all can send your drawing over here. The link is given where you can draw and send your drawings. So congratulations Swara once again. Enjoy the rain. Don't go out. Eat homemade food. Stay home. Stay safe.